How car accident settlements work in New York, timeline, negotiation letter, and payouts. Getting into a car accident in New York doesn't just cause physical harm, it often triggers financial strain and overwhelming paperwork. Understanding how car accident settlements work in New York is key to making informed decisions and securing your rightful compensation. Under New York law, when injuries or property damage exceed $1,000, drivers must report the incident within 10 days to avoid license suspension. More importantly, because New York is a no-fault insurance state, your personal injury protection coverage handles medical bills and lost wages, regardless of fault. Still, serious injuries like fractures or permanent impairment allow victims to pursue further compensation from the at-fault party's insurance. Navigating this system involves multiple steps, from filing insurance claims to meeting serious injury thresholds. An attorney helps ensure these legal requirements are met and your claim is preserved. They also help prepare for litigation if the insurance company refuses to offer fair compensation. A lawyer's role is especially critical in identifying the correct statute of limitations, which in New York is 3 years from the accident date, or less if a government vehicle is involved. Settlement timing varies widely. The more severe the injuries or the more complex the liability, the longer it typically takes. A straightforward case may settle in a month or two, while a complex one can stretch beyond 6 months. In New York, insurance companies aren't bound by a specific response deadline, so pressure through negotiation and, if needed, litigation can prompt faster action. Each claim follows a general process. It starts at the scene of the crash, where collecting photos, witness info, and official reports becomes vital. Once you've notified your insurer and filed for PIP coverage, the next phase involves gathering documents like medical records and pay stubs. Once you've reached maximum medical improvement, your attorney drafts a demand letter, an essential document that outlines the accident, your injuries, treatment costs, and a proposed settlement amount. After the demand letter is submitted, the insurer may accept, reject, or counteroffer. Most commonly, the response is a low initial offer, and negotiations proceed from there. If these talks stall or the offer is unreasonably low, filing a lawsuit may be necessary. However, lawsuits rarely go to trial, most settle beforehand, sometimes just before the court date. Litigation adds pressure on insurers, often resulting in more favorable offers. A New York car accident settlement may include economic damages like medical bills and lost wages, non-economic damages like pain and suffering, and, in rare cases, punitive damages for extreme misconduct. Your total payout depends on factors like the severity of your injury, how it affected your ability to work, the insurance policy limits, and your percentage of fault under New York's comparative negligence rule. Once a settlement is finalized, New York law requires private insurers to issue payment within 21 days. After your attorney deposits the funds into a trust account, they'll deduct any liens or legal fees before disbursing the remaining amount to you, usually within 2 to 3 weeks. Whether you're dealing with no-fault insurance claims or preparing for court, having legal support ensures every detail is addressed. A law firm like Kucher Law Group, based in Brooklyn, offers the guidance needed to handle negotiations and fight for the compensation you deserve. For help navigating your car accident settlement in New York, contact Kucher Law Group at 929-563-6780 or visit their office at 463 Pulaski Street, No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221.